this problem, we will read from the keyboard, let's say 4 and 8, and we must find the sum of all numbers starting from the first number until the second number. So to do this problem, I want you to complete this function sum from n to m. So in our main function, we will read the numbers, then I will send these numbers to the function sum from n to m, and when the result comes, I will assign the result to my variable sum, and I will print the value of this sum. So we have a lot of errors here. So first of all, you see that I can't use function scene because I didn't include iostream, and I didn't type using namespace std. And then the next problem is, like, I have problem with my variables n and m because I want to use them, but I never declared them. That's why you have to declare these variables. You have to create them, and you have to also create the sum. And another problem is here, like you see that you send these numbers to this function and it returns some result, then you assign it to sum. So if your function returns a result, you have to state what type of result is coming back. So my function returns integer value. So, and as a parameter, you see I have error. It says the error is I'm sending two informations to my function. I'm sending two numbers, but here I didn't state that I get numbers from outside. That's why you have to say that you get two numbers of type integer because they are of type integer. So let the first number be x and let the second number be y. So when I get these numbers, I will create a loop which will start from x. So x is my starting point because the problem states that. And then I will continue while I is smaller or equal to the second number, 8. So in our case it's y. And I will increase the value of I by 1. So my loop x to y. Then here I will declare some variable sum which is 0 at the beginning, and inside the loop I will say that sum is equal to sum plus I. And don't worry, like this sum and this sum, they are the same, but they don't create problem because this function is independent from this function. So whatever variable you create here, you can use the same names here. They will not be mixed up or confused because they are separate from each other. And then you will return sum. So when you return sum, the result will be assigned into my variable sum, and I will print it. Let's run it. Let's give 4 and 8, and this is my result. That's it, guys.